Some things just work well together, like peanut butter and jelly, or in the banking world, credit cards and rewards. But sometimes there are things that just don't mix, like using a personal account for business purposes. It may seem like a small thing, but having separate records of your income and expenditures is key to running your own business. And mixing the two can affect your legal liability. To keep things clear, get an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS if you haven't already. You'll use this number for filing your business tax return or applying for a business loan or credit card and more. Then choose a business structure that really fits your long-term goals, an LLC or a corporation. Open a business checking account or a savings account and a business credit card with a financial institution you trust. Then keep records of incoming and outgoing payments, supplies, or equipment purchases. This makes bookkeeping and tax season a whole lot easier. And using a business credit card is a great way to build up your business credit score. Reach out to your business lender for help making the best move for you and your business. A clearer and separate picture of your operating income and expenses will keep you on the right track for business success.